Almost everybody is failing in IELTS writing this year. People always complain about the same thing. They wanted a 7 and they got a 6 or 6.5. The next hardest module is speaking, where people also fail. There's a reason this happens. Examiners are motivated to have you book and rebook the exam. People on average are now spending $1,000 and 3 months in rebooking and being demotivated again and again. However, there's a group of students who never get this problem. At least 90% students in this group don't. They use something that we call templates. Now, the HZad templates include at least 40% of your words that you can use in your writing and speaking. These words or phrases are things you can plug and place in any sort of question. We have different formats for different types of questions. All you do, memorize it, use it in the exam. It is mistake proof, and it gives you a very good organization, a very good template to finish everything on time and with structure. So you hit multiple marks, structure, then the vocab, then the grammar, then the time, everything one after the other. On top of this, with this IELTS course, people have been scoring more than 8, not only in writing and speaking, but also in listening and reading. The strategies that we tell you in reading, for example, tell you how to find answers quickly without falling into the trap of paraphrasing. And there's a strategy for each specific type of question. If you know how to differentiate between false and not given, for example, you're good. You can ace that. And then same for matching headings and so on. For listening to, how to deal with the time, how to answer part 4 questions, which are extremely well paraphrased, but there's a loophole. And there are many other strategies and tips with which you can overcome all the difficulties in the IELTS exam. I wouldn't want anyone to go through 3 months of wasting their money, wasting their time, and getting stressed out. Our most difficult student was one really nice person. This lady did the IELTS exam 15 times before passing. The 16th time she did it after taking this course, which is only for 15 hours, she got an 8 in writing, where she always failed, 7.5 in all the other modules. So if you want to know how this thing works, there is no risk, no obligation, and 100% money back guarantee. If you do not like this course, you can apply for the money back guarantee as quick as tomorrow. This course is right now on a promotional discount. And again, you take it, you don't like it, all your money will be given back to you. No questions asked. But out of 1,000 courses, maybe we get 1 or 2 refund requests, because the quality content that you get here, it's not only 15 hours of video lectures, it's also the mock tests, which are extremely difficult. They prepare you really well for the exam, but you also get bonus vocabulary, phrasal verb lessons, and also a complete PDF detailing what kind of questions to score a 6, a 5, and a 7. You also get details on sample writing and speaking that students have done, and we tell you realistically what these samples will score. Now, you're lucky, because if you're watching this ad for a limited time only, we're running a promotion where we also give you feedback on your writing and speaking. Simply, if you send us an email with those files, and we'll tell you how to do that, you will get to know what you will score in the exam today. So if you're unsure, click on this link, check out this course, benefit from our limited time offer. This is the cheapest, most highly rated, most effective course online. And if you don't believe me, check out our reviews. 4,000 plus students have rated this course positively, and our reviews are over 4.9 stars as of now. So check this out and avail this offer. Make sure you pass your IELTS exam, get your immigration dreams to come true. Don't waste the thousands of dollars and the amount of time people are wasting nowadays. There are simple tricks that examiners die for, they drool over, and you can get them too.